This message goes to barbers. If you don't have sink or you don't have the washing bowl, try much as possible and get it for yourself. It's very, very important because when you apply the hair dye, you need to wash it. We have some clients, they decided they don't want to wash it. Fine. Some people too, they want to wash it. For the sake of those who want to wash it, you cannot dye hair and you don't have washing bowl at your salon to wash it for them. And you just dye it. You have some people, they are going somewhere, maybe they are going party meeting and those stuff, and you just dye the black and say, client, go home and wash it. And sometimes as a professional barber, if we wash it in a professional way, and after washing before we apply the other products to it so that the hair will look nice. You get it? So someone chat me that, is it nice for a barber to tell a client to go home and wash it? That is not nice. It's not at all. It's not. You understand? So all barbers, try much as possible, get a bowl for yourself, get water in your shop. We have some people, they prefer to wash, some people prefer not to wash. It's okay. You understand? Then you move forward. You get it? This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. Follow me for more tips. If you have any question, any problem, Hi guys, this is your number one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. Someone will not value because of the money in your bank account. Someone will not value because of the money in your pocket. And someone will not value because of your girlfriend or your boyfriend. But someone will value based on your look. So it means your look plays a major role. You understand? So you need to take note of it. It's very, very important. Your look plays a major role in your life. So always make sure that you are looking good, you are looking dope every time. You understand? It's very, very important. That's why I brought you this. This is a color dye. This is green, this is wine color, and this is white color. You get it? So wherever you find yourself, locate me in Accra or Fisher Town, get your hair color done, and you are good to go. You get it? This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. If you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit, right? 4 types of pomade that is good for your hair. Number one, water-based pomade. Best for everyday use. Easy to wash out, does not clog, give clean, shining, and flexible hair. Hold good for waves, stick back, slide back, slide parts, and those stuff. You get it? That is number one. We have number two, oil-based pomade. Oil-based pomade too is very, very important. The benefits are strong, long-lasting, and hold. Adds moisture, great for dry hair. That is number two. We have number three, natural stroke organic pomade. Hair growth and scalp health. You understand? It's very, very important. So that is it. And number three, number four, curly pomade. With this pomade, it's finish and volume. Benefit are at thickness, no greasy shining, good for short style, fade, and texture. You get it? This is your tip master. Follow me. Hi guys, as a professional barber, you don't have to spend more than 30 to 45 minutes on one hair. As a professional barber, once you stand on the hair, you know the hairstyle, you know where to begin from, you know the steps that you need to use. The reason why the beginners barbers keep long is that sometimes they don't know either they should use these steps after maybe, or they should use this, or maybe they should use this. You understand? So at the end of the day, they end up being confused. You get it? But you as a professional barber, you know everything. You know that after skin fade, you need the step one, you need this, you need step two to level up. After that, you need your clipper to fade. So the process is easy. So as a professional barber, you don't have to spend 30 minutes to 45 minutes on one hair. Some even spend more than 1 hour. That is not right. You need to spend at least 20 minutes, 25 minutes is okay. Me, I spend less than 20 minutes to cut one hair.
Estar orgulloso de ti mismo, porque estoy seguro de que mucha gente no aguantaría pasar ni la mitad de lo que pasaste en estos últimos meses. Han pasado tantas cosas en tu vida, ha sido difícil.
Someone asked me how I should show him how to use the white powder on shape. You understand? I've done several videos, but sometimes, maybe someone just joined your page, so he may not know. So I always keep repeating the content I've already made. But if you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. So this is what I use for my shape. This is the pencil. It's almost finished. You see how it is. Then I use it to, after cutting the shape, I use it to draw the line like this. You understand? Then you see. So you first of all cut the shape first before you use the white pencil or the powder. You understand? Don't use the white powder or the pencil to cut shape. No. First of all, use the clipper, cut the shape nicely, everything complete. Then you use the white pencil or the white powder. So that is the white pencil. This is how it is. You just use it to draw the line. And this is the powder, how you use it. The powder, you just, we have different types of powder. You see, this is what I use. Passion talcum powder. This is so we have different. You can actually use different ones to, So you just pour some on your palm like this. Me, I do this what I do. I always like to teach what I do, So I put it on my palm like this. Then I rub it like this. Then I have a small clipper. I bought this purposely for that. Then I use this clipper, tick on it like this. You see, tick on it like this. Then I paste it here. Tick it like this. Then I paste it here. And then I paste it here. You understand? then I paste it here. So you first of all cut the shape complete, then after that you use the powder how I just show you, follow the process and you are good to go. This is one hairstylist from West Africa, Ghana. If you come across this video, make sure you share for others to benefit. Share, like, comment, because you guys don't comment on my videos. You don't comment, you just watch and go. If you do that, it seems like what I'm teaching you, you are not interested. You understand? If you are interested, you like, comment, oh nice, we need more, so that I'll keep posting more videos about haircut and those stuff. You understand? This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. Do well, follow me, share for others to benefit. As a professional barber, there are certain things you need to understand, that it's not every client that walks to your shop will actually return back to you. And that doesn't mean you are not a good barber. That doesn't mean you are not a professional. You understand? We need to understand this, because sometimes a client will just walk to you one time and the person don't come again or don't return again. And the barber feel bad. The barber think maybe he's not professional, he does a bad work or something like that. One thing we should understand is that it's not everyone that will like your work. No matter how best, no matter how good you are, we have some people, if they come to you, you can even spend the whole day giving them a service, they will still not appreciate you. You understand? So what you need to do is stay humble, stay original, be yourself. Those who like you will always come to you. You understand? Those who like you will always come to you. And focus. One person come to you and they don't return, don't think that you are a bad barber. You are actually a professional in your game. You understand? So if someone come and don't return back, don't think bad about it. Don't think maybe you are not a professional. Sometimes maybe your service don't he don't appreciate your service. Not that you are not good, but we have that kind of favor or that kind of choices that people make for themselves. The person can come and buy this from me and go and buy this from this one, and you will appreciate this one or this one more than this one. But they say all of them does the same work. That is how it is. So this is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. Follow me for more. Hi guys, today I'm on the ladies. I'm on the ladies. Ladies are very, very important to me. You know. So if you're a lady and you come across this video, make sure you stay connected, follow for more. You see, Christmas is coming, or let's say Christmas is at the corner, 24th, 25th, 26th. From December, from 1st December going, we are in Christmas. Burgers will drop. UK burgers, German burgers, Canada burgers, US burgers, Dubai burgers. You understand? Yes, Dubai burgers. All of them will drop in town. So I want to encourage you to change your look from that old look to new look. You see this hairstyle, get this hairstyle for yourself, brand yourself, dress nice, go to places, go to locations. I'm talking to ladies from 25 to 30 years that are looking up for a man to get married, to settle down. This Christmas is opportunity for you, because the bloggers will come. Go to Labadi Beach, go to pubs, go to nice locations. You may get opportunity to get in touch with one of the bloggers, and you are lucky and you're good to go, because all the bloggers that are dropping, actually 90% or 70% are looking for ladies to settle down with them. You understand? So if you dress nice, present yourself well, carry yourself well in the system, it is easy for you to get one of them to settle with. You understand? This is your tip master from West Africa, Ghana. Follow me for more.